पहले मैं दीना के साथ आती थी।
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯑꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯀꯤꯆꯟ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯥ ꯊꯣꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯉꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯣꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯥꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯡꯇꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯔꯨꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦꯕ here is my friend here she's just jobless she's just waiting for my food to be ready she's just ready to eat my food our food Ben Jude okay oh no my phone fails too here's me I'm not making a video because our room is not that much big and there is no light only one light here so it's not good to make a video and see our room is very small and even we don't have a charger point near to my bed also so see we are sitting here and charging so it's very like we have a lot of problem to make a video and actually I don't have a ring light also and my ring light is already broken I don't know what is going on and I don't have that much dress only this much and actually this one's dirty because just now we make it dirty cheese kya सर्फ ब्रश क्या साबुन अच्छा ठीक है हाँ थोंबसे लोसलकदोरे मसक्सिजु फजरकदोरे अदुगा कलीजी अमा यावरिसे केना तौदोने मोरok मेतोइने इलाइदे सि मोलिजे ngasai morning da aina kan tawai ne ba bora ngobigi ne ba My fish curry चावल है और इसका कलेजा बने nga thongba tel yam hawe means tasty tasty makan sốt mukbang tasty कलेजा में नाम तंग बा चाक làm है बा अदु I'm so hungry ai ngai चानिंग अदुम लेबने Wow baby नहीं है उसको wow anything sleeping anything
और मिर्ची एंड धनिया
नो कलेजी हाँ कलेजी Do you like fish more or you like chicken more? Fish is same taste. I also like fish more. Do you like it? No, I have put jang. Not the house, ba. I think I'm probably saying palm. Mà của cái trong đó. Duyên thì lúc đấy mà tôi ngậm mà trả lại. Để tôi ये.
दूसरे वाले मेरे को मैं खाने दे.
यार मत दे मैं स्पाइसी.
मेरे मुंह में आया ना कभी दे. उड़न दे कुछ. मुझे भी देना हो.
This is the head.
ये वाला मत देना मुझे.
Head ये.
इसमें ज्यादा वो है
काटे. ये ज्यादा नहीं.
काटे वाला मत देना.
आलू. समोसा चाहता है? माला. सब्जी मार्केट. Milan and Bika lady.
Nice, yeah?
Spicy and it's good. How much? Try na. Zig chuhi amul thak. That's so ganda yaar. ठीक है. We are going to have one silver pencils from the street. And this is our area where we used to live. Alawa Sector 61, CRPF Road. Only 2 days left we are staying here. Then we are shifting to Delhi. Guys, क्या कर रही हो? Oh my God, ये क्या है? ये हल्दी का सब्जी है क्या? ज़्यादा मिर्ची मत डालना है. Not मिर्ची, नमक कम कर, please. प्लीज नमक कम कर दीजिए ना. ठीक है.
My eyes.
Don't show your eyes because it's hot. ठीक है. थोड़ा जल्दी कर because बहुत भूख लगी है मेरे को.
खुद तो बनाती नहीं है मैं तो.
Yesterday I didn't make food over there. Victoria.
इसको भी डालना.
डालेंगे ये सब डालेंगे यार. Okay. 영원 이만희비는 너 또투어 타면 왜 영원히 시다 끝나 까메가 뭐라 깐 노링아 시다 midnight만 미제 용네.
कौन सी गाली?
Oh, cheese all mixed with the all soggy हो गया. तो so this is our dinner. Dal, kamet in my language like potato chutney, mashed potato and fried onions and chilies red, and this is bora in our language. It's like a pokora only. And dal. She is the one who is making the rice and the dal. Okay. And see, no liquid, got nothing inside. See the face. Okay. And even he also got accident because of. Khalo. We are so poor, but we are going to give this 430 rupees to our Zomato bhaiya. है ना? We are so poor, but still we are so rich to give this one to Zomato bhaiya. Pizza lena hai. We want to eat pizza a long bite. Then today he got salary. From where I don't know. But he got salary. I'm right. Always here. I was fighting with the delivery guy because it was so late, and it's pizza. Yeah, of course it's pizza, and it will be cold. ठंडा हो जाएंगे, right? So, so now it's for 440. We have discount also, and एक धक्का इधर आला. We'll sit here. So now.
Oh, no ketchup यार.
No ketchup. Chili flakes भी है, but मेरे पसंद नहीं है ketchup का. This one is veg. This is veg. This is margarita. And this one is corn, and this is from Pizza Hut actually because they are not allowed for cash on delivery. Only Pizza Hut is allowed for cash on delivery. Our Domino's Pizza and all Pizza Mami, I forgot. They are not also allowed. So we order from where cash on delivery is allowed. And this one is chicken. ठीक है. You know बहुत अलग है. Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza is so much different. Even the taste also. This is more tastier than the Domino's Pizza. This is chicken biryani. Chicken biryani, yes. Okay. Only veg. Only this is non-veg. Okay. ठीक है. We'll eat now. Okay, now guys, we'll have one by one. It's very yummy. Very yummy. ठंडा हो गया क्या? पूरा नहीं. Okay. Oh my god, after a long time, यार. Oh, non-veg है ना? It's all total for 440. Oh my god.
ketchup भी होता है.
Don't waste anything होगा. सब खा लेंगे. 4 पिज़्ज़ा है. Regular size.
कौन सबसे पहले स्टॉप होता है?
Okay.
ketchup नहीं है यार. ketchup चाहिए.
If we know, then we'll buy from the दुकान.
अरे मुझे लगा उसके साथ आएगा. Obviously बातें आता है. मत पीता ना.
Yeah. I'll show you. Margarita pizza. Yummy. Well, my hair is so sleepy. Today we'll be here for the last day. Tomorrow we are shifting to Delhi, so we are doing a party. Cheers. Coca-Cola. बच्चा है यार. Very tasty bro. ये बनाएंगे ना और सामान
बनाएंगे मतलब.
और खाएंगे सब. ठीक है. और लास्ट
अब देखो हमें जब पाना और लाकर
we eat a lot. Actually we love eating a lot. Oh my god.
next try.
ये दल और ये कॉर्न के साथ
हम एक पीस.
हाँ एक पीस.
टेस्ट करेंगे ना. Wow, this is too nice.
Corn
Hey,
and
don't give a rating, okay? Bad rating.
big one, huh? Corn and capsicum with cheese. Regular size, huh?
Nice.
Very nice.
Oregano.
I don't like this kind of things.
Why?
Only plain khate mein. I like cheese and corn. Actually, we are not buying from Domino's. That's why it's very good. What? Domino's is the like.
चार कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गए वैसे.
Same होता है यार.
Same है यार.
But yeah, I love taste. You know, for Pizza Hut. I love Pizza Hut. I don't know why.
But delivery boy, not good.
He was rude. We already stopped him from. He was passing us, and we stopped him, and he was not listening to us, and he just drive away. And then he is again coming back, and he was telling that your delivery address is wrong and all, and blah blah blah. We are waiting for long, and it's already thanda. So like food delivery, and was so like if they are not reaching us on time, like if they are not. Okay, so now we left this onion and capsicum and cheese pizza. So we'll have this now. We put some chili flakes and oregano, baby. So this is our last.
अभी इसने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला तो मुझे ये सब.
But ज़्यादा मत डाल. Oregano थोड़ा डाल. Disco hair. Wait, मेरे को दे दो. मैं मम्मी को संभालूंगी. ठीक है? Okay, now we'll have a piece. बड़ा तू ले लो. ले लो. और मैं ये छोटा थोड़ा ले लूँगी. Okay, so here is the bite. Jesse, baby.
We are looking so hungry now.
Actually, I'm so hungry. I was not eating from morning till now. It's already 9 o'clock. Yeah, who is not hungry? I'm not a robot. We want to eat pizza from a long time. It's been two months that we are not eating pizza, and we are so craving for pizza. Today we got to it. All credit goes to her. She bought it actually. Yay! Okay, happy to it. I just woke up also, no? They have tissue. Best mukbang ever, yaar.
But not eating too much.
I can't eat too much. कौन खाएंगे? I can't eat now.
हमने 3 कुत्ते पाल रखे हैं. वो हो जाएंगे वो खा लेंगे. एक कुत्ता हो जाएगा.
हमने 2 कुत्ता ले यार.
एक कुत्ता तो डाल के चला गया.
Yeah, we miss them ना. If they are here, then we'll be fighting.
हमारे लिए भी नहीं बचता. वो सब खा लेते हैं.
We'll keep for them this one. Okay, they will come now and then like. Okay. So we are not even clicking a picture also. We just start eating. Oh my god. Tell them. We go there ना मैंने. So much full, I can't eat anymore.
This is not mukbang, okay?
This is very full, yeah. Like we thought that we will be. I thought of ordering 6 pizza actually, and I was thinking, 4 is enough. ठीक है. If we are not full, also we will order again.
सबको फिर 2 खाया बस.
बस एक पीस खाया. 4 पीस खाया. It's all about mukbang today. है ना?